Welcome back to KPsKINGDOM, cooking with KP, and today a really easy one if you've already done part one. It is my brisket bao buns. Really nice little summertime dish, this one. The first thing you need to do is have some brisket that is left over, and this is my yogurt marinated brisket, and of course I'm going to have a little bit of leftover of that, and using a bao bun is a great way to use up some of those leftovers. So we're going to give this a bit of a slice. We're going to get some nice thin slices, right, a little bit thinner than that. Now I had some leftover tallow from doing that brisket, and look, don't throw that out, keep it. It's full of flavour, and it just makes a really nice addition to doing anything. If you don't have that, you could use some ghee or just some butter. So I've just melted down that tallow. It's going to take no time at all. Okay, and I'm going to add in around about half a cup's worth of my pickled onion. It is the byproduct of me making my onion vinegar. I'll leave a link in the description below, and I'll leave a list of ingredients at the end of the video, so keep watching. Right, we're going to fry off those onions for a little bit. There will be bits of vinegar coming out of there. There'll be all sorts of flavors. Now here I've got around about sort of 100 grams ish worth of brisket, which I've just sliced nice and thin, and I'm going to add in around about 3 tablespoons worth of hoisin sauce. Okay, and this is just a very simple type of recipe, but it does have amazing flavour. Right, the onions and vinegar are going to give us a great flavour, and the hoisin, and of course all that smoke and infused meat is going to be a magic element as well. So all we have to do now is just keep tossing that bit of brisket around, just get a little bit of heat happening to it, and just get it softened up again. Okay, and really simple. And I'm just using store-bought frozen bao buns, and you put those in the microwave for a few seconds or so, and before you know it, you've got these beautiful little pillowy bits of dough that we can play with. A little slice of lettuce in there just for a bit of healthiness and a bit of contrast and crunch and freshness. So put a little bit of lettuce in just like that, and now we start putting in our beef brisket slices. Right, I told you this was a real easy recipe, and you could do this with leftover roast beef if you really want to. It doesn't really matter. There you go, you got KP's brisket bao buns. Nice little quickie one for you. Thank you so much for watching, really do appreciate it. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Hey, hit that like button if you've got nothing else to do. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get KP's Kingdom out there, and leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. If you want to learn how to use a bit of leftovers and have a nice little snack just like this, hey, come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you next time. Bye.